going to see a new chapter, that is indices and cube root. Before see this new chapter, we revise some facts. That is, if we write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 4 times, then we can it also express just like 5 raised to 4. Here 5 is a base, 5 is called base, and 4 is called index, and we read it 5 raised to power 4 or simply 5 raised to 4. We can also see the laws of indices. There is a 8 laws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We revise that laws and also see some examples. The first law is a raised to m into a raised to m is equal to a raised to m plus n. That means when base is equal and there is a multiplication, then we write here base and add their index. That means a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. What is the example of it? Suppose we take this example, a raised to 5 into a raised to 9. Here a is a common base. We write here a raised to, what is the law? A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Here the sum of indices, that is we write here a raised to 5 plus 9, that is a raised to 9 plus 5, that is we get 14. Okay. What is the second law? A raised to m divided by a raised to n. Here is a multiplication, here is a division. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Here is a addition and here is a subtraction. So we take another example, that is a raised to 8 divided by a raised to 5. That means we take a single base a and the subtraction of their indices. That means 8 minus 5. So we get a raised to 8 minus 5, that is 3. We can see that a raised to 3, it is not a raised to 3, we say it is a cube. When index is 3, it's called cube. When index is 2, it's called square. What is the third law? A into b to bracket, a into b bracket close raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. म्हणजे काय केलं बघा, इथं गुणाकार आहे ब्रॅकेटचा आणि त्याचा घातांक m आहे, म्हणजे आपण हा घातांक सेपरेट करणार आहे. दॅट मीन्स a into b bracket close raised to m is equal to a into m into b raised to m. What is the example? We take 5 into 7 raised to m. That means 5 raised to m into 7 raised to m. That means separation of their indices. The fourth law is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. That means we take any base or any number and its index is 0, that time its value is 1. We take example, that is 2350 raised to 0, we get 1. That means base is any number and its index is 0, we get its value is always 1. Next, if a raised to negative m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. That means when we have a negative index, then we convert into positive index. This is the law for the conversion of negative index into positive index. What is the example? We take here a raised to negative 5 is equal to 1 upon a raised to 5. That means the negative index convert into positive index. What is the f? F is a raised to m raised to n. That means it is a index of index. आपण घातांकाचा घात म्हणतो. ठीक आहे. a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to, that is base is a and the multiplication of their indices. And the multiplication of their indices, that means we get a raised to m raised to n equal to a raised to m into n. We get, take a example, 9 raised to 5 raised to 2, that is square. Then we get 9 raised to 5 into 2. Then 9 raised to 5 into 2, that is 10. That means 9 raised to 10. G, a divided by b or a upon b, what we say? A divided by b raised to m is equal to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Same, just like C, a into b raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. Separation of their indices. Here multiplication, here is the only division. There is a basic difference. So it is also separation of their indices. We take example G, 9 by 5 raised to 8. 9 by 5 raised to 8 is equal to, it's 9 raised to 8 divided by 5 raised to 8. And last one, what will erase this example? H, what is it? A divided by b or a upon b, what we say? A divided by b raised to negative m. This is a fraction. A divided by b raised to negative m. It is converted as a positive index. Here is a negative index is converted into positive index. It is simple thing, but a comes here, b goes there. That is a b b a. That is a reciprocal of a upon b. Only take its reciprocal and change the sign. For example, 6 by 8 raised to negative 9. 6 by 8 raised to negative 9 is converted just like taking reciprocal of the given number, that is 8 by 6. It is a reciprocal of 6 by 8 raised to negative converts into positive, that is 9. That is 8 by 6 raised to 9. So friends, today I have seen laws of indices. I hope that you understand it better. Thank you.